Introducing Mini Delight Time to Celebrate stamp set and die set. Can create 3 adorable presents with this set. Lots of great sentiments to finish off your projects. We will start by getting our first piece laid down, which is citronella. We'll add a Misty Moore piece for dimension on there. We'll add our first Berrylicious ribbon, cross that with the other Berrylicious ribbon, add the ribbon, and then add the bow dot in the center. And that will complete our first present. Next, we'll begin with the Dark Night layer. Onto that, we'll layer a piece of Nimbus. I'm getting that adjusted into place with my tweezers and my glue. Then we will begin with our Rouge ribbon, first one, then we cross the other one. Then we'll add the actual bow, and then we'll add the dot in the center of the bow. Finally, we are going to begin with a caramel toffee present, a warm sunshine layer, and then grapevine for the first ribbon. The second ribbon, we'll add the bow and then the dot in the center of the bow. And that will complete our presents for the Mini Delight Time to Celebrate. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your beautiful gifts. Here's some fabulous inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Mini Delight Time to Celebrate and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.